Hello and welcome to Emerald Metals, your one-stop channel for all things RC, crafting, and generally reviews. And today we're going to be talking about the Campark Extreme 5 4K. This is, I buy a couple of these Camparks already, and I give them away as gifts. So these are going out to my grandchildren, and they ski, and they do all kinds of outdoor activities, and this is a great camera. It's very inexpensive, and for kids, they're going to lose it and break it anyway. So it's a great product to have, and for its quality, and definitely a lot cheaper than the GoPro. So let's take a look. Power button on the front, enter button on the top, and then the menu buttons up and down. They'll give you instructions on what to use, and then you have your charge port, and you have an HDMI out on this. This is amazing, HDMI out. So you press this and hold it to turn it on, and if you're starting it up for the first time, it goes through the setup for you. There's not a lot to do, but it gives you a little tutorial, and you just follow the settings, enter albums, swipe down for quick menu, switch modes, pick your type of card, and then actually scan for your software. This is kind of cool because you scan on whatever you want, and it installs the right app, because you can use this over Wi-Fi with your phone, and you can control the camera remotely using your phone. Works really well as well. So let's get started. Skip that. Okay, now let's take a look at how to access some of the features in the system. Now basically, when you're looking at your screen, you can switch from camera, unlock, from camera to video by swiping left and right. And when you're in each mode, you can touch the video or camera, and you'll get other options for the quality of that photo. You can also swipe from the top down. You can power off, turn off your mic, connect to the Wi-Fi, and lock the device. And you can swipe from the bottom, and it will give you all your different shooting options that you're currently in. Basically, that's all the shooting components. And over on the side, to get into Wi-Fi mode, you can do it from the setup menu, which is right here. And this gives you all kinds of your picture resolutions, all the different sharpness, white light, ISO, field of view. That's basically those features. Then the setup, Wi-Fi, image rotation, image information, auto screen, etc. And you can go back, and to connect to Wi-Fi, you can do it holding the up arrow key. Will take you into your internet settings. Swipe down on your camera, on your telephone, and touch your internet connections until you see Campark come up, and then connect to that. Now for the rest of this video, I'm actually going to shoot it with the Campark camera, and you can see now I'm using my app to record, to use it as a remote. So I'm looking not on the screen, as you can see. Well, you can't see, but the screen is blank, and I'm looking at everything on my phone. And what we're looking at here is just a bevy of parts. Okay, the underwater case, standard, comes with 2 batteries, incredible. All kinds of bike mount. I don't even know what some of these mounts do. That's not part of it. Comes with a bike mounts. Some of these things, like I said, I have no idea. Comes with a charging port. There's straps that you can hook it onto your cap. So I mean, tons of parts here that you just wouldn't get with any other product. So definitely, this is something I would recommend. And take a look at the quality of this image. It is bloody incredible. Anyway, that's it for now. Please subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time at Emerald Meadows, and the link to this Campark camera is below. Thank you.